Look at this, James. I've just got off the Metrolink, off the tram, to get my paper, because I'm doing my document, my doomsday document. And look at that, that's exactly where I got off. And it's only just started as well. And it isn't even today's paper, it's from yesterday. Yeah? And these are refilled every day. And for some reason, there was a paper from yesterday in there, which that shouldn't happen. See, everybody seems to be photographing the sky. They don't understand what it means. They don't understand because they don't put two and two together. And even when they do, they come out with five. You know what I mean? So, these are all the signs that keep coming to us daily. I'm building my doomsday book, which is showing all the acts of Jehovah, all the supernatural acts that he gives us every single day. And this is going to be one of them, but I doubt there'll be a press article about this. There will be in the Manchester Evening News, so I'll have to print it out, which I'm still waiting for my printer to arrive. And the fact that it hasn't arrived is supernatural in and of itself. Look at that! Look at the shape of them clouds. They are like demon clouds. They're like... Look at that. You don't see this every day. This is definitely supernatural. You can't deny it. There's no way that clouds can just be made like that. Look at that. It's like there's been like a massive fire or something. Like an explosion in the sky. Look at that. Right, so this supernatural sky, I'm coming back towards the bus station, towards Eccles. You see that light there, let me zoom in. That one there has been dead for months and months and months. Not this one, not that one, the third one there. That has been dead for months, and it's just come back on now. Just come back on tonight, facing that supernatural sky. And these are the lights up here, these ones, that react. They're one of the sets that react together, and I've got it mapped in, all mapped out in my film. What's coming soon? It's going to be a massive. These might start swapping power now. They might start flicking. That sky is definitely supernatural. You can't argue with that. It's not. That's not even up for debate. If you don't believe that, then you're stupid. Right, and would you believe it? That supernatural sky's going on, and this one started now. Again. It always happens. There you go. Always happens around supernatural events. And while we're still rolling on the same video, I'm going to go over here and show you that it's going to be happening inside a building that's completely separate from that light. Completely separate, nothing to do with it whatsoever. It's just in a general location. This is proving Jehovah's advanced communication system. So, keep it in frame. There. That one there. And then that one there. Yeah? It's just going to be that one today, yep. You see? This is Jehovah's very advanced supernatural messaging system. And that supernatural sky is over there. You can see the orange.